Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, I hope everybody's happy. So we're out in the garden today and I want to share with you the unboxing of one of the Caveman's new toys. Now this is an item which I've had my eye on now for quite some time, and I finally decided to actually stick my hand in my pocket and buy one. If you're a follower of my channel and you've watched previous videos, you'll be aware that I'm not the sort of person who believes in just spending money on every tool on the market. I'll only buy something if there's a definite and repeated use for it. If not, I'll just make do with basic tools. But there does come a point where you've got to sort of, stand back and ask yourself whether or not just by investing, a small, modest amount of money will actually save you time, save you effort, increase your efficiency and enable you to get more done in less time. So anyway, I'll just zoom in. Right, so as you can see, I've decided to invest in a circular saw. The reason I went for this one was because there were lots of very good reviews about this product, not only on the Screwfix site but other sites as well. So basically it represents excellent value for money, and also the fact is that the blade which it comes with is actually capable of cutting more than timber, so it can cut mild steel, it can cut plastic. Basically it's multi-purpose. So what have we got then? Now this is actually my first circular saw. I've been really looking forward to getting one of these for quite some time now. Just a case of pulling the trigger and forking out the cash really. Not paid, as I say, about 55 quid for this, and to be honest with you, I should have bought one ages ago. These are an absolute bargain. So this here presumably enables you to alter, yeah, there we go, look. So that enables you to cut angles. I'm no expert on this, and just basically having a look at it as we go along. So this, yeah, there we go, look. So this button here, if you release it, it drops this, the sole plate, if that's what you call it. So that enables you to expose however much of the blade you need to. Expose all of the blade, or indeed less of the blade. I should use that actually. So, interesting. Not sure what this is for. Oops, this thing here. Now I'm assuming that is sort of like a little button or locking device which enables you to change the blade. I'm pretty sure that's right. So this is going to be perfect for somebody like myself who is right-handed. The handles seem quite well placed for use. I'm not entirely sure what this sole plate's made of, but it's got a nice little weight to it. I'm really going to enjoy using this actually. Yeah. I'm not sure how long these this power cable is. Probably a couple of metres, something like that. 1.5 metres. If I can find out, I'll put the details on the screen. probably about, yeah. Don't think it's quite 2 metres. And again, it might be. Yeah, reasonable weight. Inspires confidence. Can't wait to use this. And obviously it goes without saying that, well actually it won't go without saying, but the blade spins that way, so it cuts from underneath. So therefore the good side of your timber will need to be facing down. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to using this. So this is the button that you unloosen, so you can actually raise the height of this base, the sole plate, to enable you to expose as much or as little of the blade as you want to. This appears to be the button which you press to lock the wheel to change the blade rather. So yeah, lovely job. Down here so we've got a manual. Looks like a guide rod, doesn't it? I'm not actually sure how effective these are. I mean, it might be okay. We've got an Allen key in there as well, look. That's obviously for changing the blade. So I'm going to make some raised planters out of these decking boards, and also I'll be using the saw extensively on my new renovation project. I've got lots and lots of timber work to do, lots of fences to put in, so this is going to be absolutely invaluable, and there is absolutely no way I'm faffing around with a handsaw cutting bits of timber. That ain't going to happen. I've got too much to do.